Now, the last topic, and I'll be wrapping it up here in a few minutes, President-elect Trump's impact on California employment landscape. As a lot of people have heard, his nomination for the Secretary of Labor got some criticism, but as everybody can expect, being CEO of CKE Restaurants, he's a big supporter of employers and has been an outspoken, has spoken out against the DOL overtime rules that we just discussed, and has been a huge critic of the $15 minimum wage and Obamacare. Now, with that said, he has come out and said he does recommend or does think the federal minimum wage can be increased, but he's just not a big proponent of $15 minimum wage. And so, likely too, under President Trump, I think the DOL's overtime regulations are going to likely face an uphill challenge to actually get implemented. Given the court's injunction out of Texas, and I have a feeling Trump is probably going to be addressing that within the first year or two of his presidency. Given his strong talk on immigration and E-Verify issues, it's likely that this will be tighter, much more enforced, and I do recommend that employers really get their I-9s and that documentation in place. Trump, during running for the presidency, did say, he did promote the idea that E-Verify would be required for employers across the United States. Right now it's available for employers to use, but it's not required. So we'll see how that plays out. Trump did, while he was running on his website, did support an idea of paid maternity leave. I believe it was up to 6 weeks. So that might be something that's coming through for employers to watch for. And then I was just reading an article yesterday about the San Diego City Council just got inaugurated, and they were talking about how the local city needs to enact laws to basically contravene the federal laws that will be coming down based on the President Trump and the conservative legislature as well. So the local issues that we talked about and how complex it is, I have a feeling it's just going to get more complex here in California given the state of the legislature and the legislature on the state level and these local levels. So it's likely we're going to see a lot more local issues come up that employers are going to have to deal with.